Hey guys, Torrie here, and I'm back reacting to another Chibi Tiny Tales video of Phineas and Ferb, and it's called Helicopter Doof. And this is where Doof is, where Dr. Doof Smurfs is upset to see that his daughter Vanessa is growing up too fast, so he invents the Cutieinator to make her world more childhood like. So Vanessa tries to stop her own father. So Vanessa tries to dig up a plan to stop her own father from keeping on doing this. So, yeah, hope you enjoy. Wow! Nice one, Vanessa! Well, that was the video. So, stay tuned where I react to something else. Bye, guys!